Hi, I'm Kyle with Policy Buff, and recently our friends at Tribe Talent Management reached out looking to put together something for one of their models, Daylan Fisher. We decided to put together 3 very bold lighting setups. For our first setup, we went back to kind of what we did in our dramatic backlighting video, and we used a large PLM as our backdrop. And this allowed some light to kind of spill around Daylan and gave a very dramatic look. For our key light, we just used a white interior foldable beauty dish, no grid, nothing fancy. And we put off to the side a red gel dome on a link with a 10 by 36 inch strip box that we would later bring in to add an extra kind of element of interest to our lighting. For our second setup, we used one of my favorite setups that I think is underrated, 2 10 by 36 inch strip boxes, each with colored gel domes, to offer kind of a nice split. We used a teal and a red gel dome, and we placed Daylan up against a black curtain that we have that allowed for a very dramatic look where he was completely separated, almost floating in darkness while illuminated with very striking colors. For our third and final setup, we wanted to put together kind of a dream setup of mine for a while. We decided to pull 3 Eclipse optical snoots, and we put a different color gel dome on each of them. We had a purple, a magenta, and a yellow, and we used the single slit attachment on all of them to cut even slices of colored light across Daylan's face. Our backdrop was a just Savage Universal Thunder Gray backdrop, but we hit it with a teal gel dome on a 10 by 36 inch strip box to add a nice glow behind Daylan. While we know that most people are never planning on owning 3 optical snoots, we had them here, and honestly, it's been something we've been thinking about ever since. We hope you enjoyed this video. Huge thanks to Tribe Talent Management and Daylan Fisher. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe below for more content.